Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to decrease in both single crochet and double crochet, also known as single crochet two together and double crochet two together. Before we start, I've already prepared 10 chainless foundation double crochets and 2 rows of single crochet. If you haven't seen my tutorial on the chainless foundation double crochet, be sure to check it out. So alright, let's get it started with single crochet two together. So first, chain 1 and turn your work. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's it. Let's repeat. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. So let's repeat the process across the row. So here, you will notice that we have decreased our stitches. Before we are having 10, now we are having 5 stitches. For double crochet 2 together, chain 3, turn your work, and yarn over once. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook. Don't finish it, you must have 2 loops on the hook and yarn over once, then insert your hook into the next stitch, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's repeat. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over once, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over once, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Repeat the process. So here it is. We have also decreased our double crochet. Now thank you for watching and happy crocheting!